All right, so I would say the most sophisticated metaphysical solution to that problem of externalized oppressor narrative is, so there's this idea that's laid out in the story of Genesis, in the story of Adam and Eve, that the garden that human beings inhabit is permanently co-inhabited by a serpent. And that serpent is the eternal predator of mankind. Snakes themselves have been the enemies of us and our tree-dwelling ancestors since time immemorial. And you can look at it as a reflection of the fact that human beings are subject to the ravages of predation. Part of our mammalian heritage, as well as our spiritual heritage, is the fact that we can be prey animals and that we always have to contend with that. What is the essence of what's predatory, and then what is the best response to the fact of that essence? The serpent there becomes assimilated to the figure of Lucifer and Mephistopheles, to the figure of Satan. The image of Satan symbolically is put forward as the most apt representative of the predator. You want to protect your children from actual natural predators. And you can throw snakes into that category, and wolves, and the animals that would pose a predatory danger. But then that isn't the only predator. And it's not predator as such. It's a specific predator, a snake or a bear or a wolf. It's not the concept of predator or predation as such. You need a more global and coherent representation of predator. And that's what a dragon is. A dragon is a meta-predator. It's a cat, it's a snake, it's fire, it's a predatory bird. It's all entangled into one image, and that's the image of the predator. And the great mythological stories of the hero confronting the dragon is the human being taking a stance against the predator. But the greatest dragon isn't merely a dragon. It's something metaphysical. And so what does that mean? Well, if you're a mother and you're protecting your children from snakes, and then from predators, and then from dragons, you're also protecting them against the evil in your own house, and the evil in your neighbor's heart, and the evil within the breast of your own children. And that starts to become something increasingly metaphysical. And the final transmutation of that idea is that the most profound battle against the predator is the battle that's undertaken within. When the proper attitude is to take on the apocalyptic nightmare of separating the wheat from the chaff inside our own spirits, and to clean ourselves, so to speak, so that we're no longer unwitting agents possessed by that predatory spirit.